Hi, I'm Brandon Knight. Today, I want to show you how to use script notes. When writing, you'll likely want to reference notes and research, or perhaps a scratch pad for general ideas. The trouble with that is you'll have to open note-taking apps or documents and flip back and forth between them. StudioBinder has a convenient script notes area, so your notes are always just a click away while writing. You'll find the script notes button here in the toolbar. Simply click and a pop-up will open for you. You can format the notes any way you like. You can add bullet points, links, images, and even embed videos. To exit script notes, just click anywhere outside of the window. Once you've finished a draft and received notes, you can create a new version with a clean slate for new notes. You can always switch to another version if you need to go over past notes as well. It's as easy as that. So the bottom line, by consolidating your research, inspiration, and notes from others in one readily accessible place, you can stay focused on your writing and keep your flow. Thanks for watching. I'm Brandon with StudioBinder, and we'll see you in the next video.